how to get CATZO marker and Find the Marker Roblox. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first method that you can do is you just simply go to your chat right here, and then after that just type in /E and then just put in a space and then just type in laugh. And then once you're done, just simply click on enter, and then there you go, you'll be redirected here and where you'll now find the CATZO marker. So you can now grab it right there. And then there you go, you've now found the CATZO marker. But if that didn't work for you, what you can do is just simply head back to spawn, go to this area right here until you see this house. So once you find this house, what you want to do is just simply go to the right side over here and then just simply climb up this ladder, head on to the chimney right here. There you go. And after that, just jump on to these black panes right here. And then once you reach the top, you'll be redirected here. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just zoom out, just walk around until you see this green ladder right there. So what you want to do is to just go straight down. There you go. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply jump onto this yellow line right there. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just go straight. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just type in /E space and then laugh. Click on enter. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. And then from here, you can get the CATZO marker from here. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to get the CATZO marker and find the markers in Roblox.